Tonight's session. Incline push-up. Hands on a bench, a kitchen counter, or a wall. The higher the surface, the easier the push-up. Hands under your shoulders. Body in one line from head to heels. Squeeze the glutes. Brace like someone will poke your stomach. Lower your chest toward the surface. Elbows about 45 degrees from your sides, not flared to 90. Pause. Push the surface away. Do not shrug your shoulders into your ears. 3 sets of 8 to 12. Rest 1 minute. When 12 is easy, use a lower surface. The floor is last. If the wrists complain, make fists or use handles. If the shoulders pinch, go higher and shorten the range. This is the push pattern. You need it to get off the floor and to put a suitcase in an overhead bin. Twice a week.